They got larvae and pollen in there already.
And a cat.
Cat.
Cup. I can speak. Catbird.
So, they are a pretty small swarm. They've been in here for it to be capped. They've been in here for at least a week. Don't know how well you're catching it on camera, but I have not seen the queen yet. So, I'm gonna rotate it around.
Yep.
Should we go ahead and mark her?
Maybe.
If it was on a different frame, I'd feel better about grabbing her off of it. Forgot that wasn't the queen. I don't want to knock that frame loose or that comb. I got everybody but her.
You got her. Apparently he's having problems controlling his lady. Probably the wrong color too.
We don't know what year she's from, but we're marking her as this year. Come on, get down in the hive. Oh, she went down to the bottom.
Huh? She's in the hive.
She's over in here. So, I think we will give her another drawn frame. Even though she, I think, started out with 2.5 drawn frames. There she is. She's over on this side. Get back on one of those frames. Don't go right on past. Oh, she fell to the ground, or bottom of the box. I'm gonna put a drawn frame on this side. Well, they had to repair it because we extracted the.
And then we let the bees clean it up. Or tear it up.
They tore it up. Did you bring that feeder with you?
I did. The one you handed to me?